Hey there, welcome to the channel. Have you ever felt like your mind is racing, making it hard to focus on tasks? Maybe you've tried meditation but found it difficult to sit still for long periods. Well, there's a much easier way to combine movement and mindfulness. Let's dive into walking meditation and understand how it can boost your productivity. Stick around to learn a simple technique that could change your daily routine. Let's start by understanding what walking meditation is. It's a form of mindfulness practice where you focus on the act of walking. Unlike regular walking, you're not trying to get somewhere. The goal is to be fully present in each step you take. Now, why should you care about walking meditation? For starters, it's great for those who find sitting meditation challenging. It allows you to be active while still practicing mindfulness. Plus, it can easily fit into your daily routine, even during a busy workday. Here's how walking meditation can improve your focus. First, it helps calm your mind by directing attention to your body's movements. This can reduce stress and anxiety, which often cloud our thinking. Second, it trains your brain to stay present, a skill that transfers to other tasks. Lastly, the rhythmic nature of walking can create a sense of flow, enhancing concentration. Ready to give it a try? Let's go through the steps. Find a quiet place to walk. It could be a park, your backyard, or even a hallway. Stand still for a moment and take a few deep breaths. Begin walking at a slower pace than usual. Focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground. Notice the movement of your legs and the shifting of your weight. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your steps. Continue this for about 10 minutes, or longer if you prefer. Remember, it's normal for your mind to wander. The practice is in noticing and refocusing. Let's talk about when to do walking meditation. You can start your day with it to set a focused tone, or use it as a midday break to reset your mind. Some people find it helpful before important meetings or tasks. Here are some tips to enhance your practice. Pay attention to your surroundings, noticing colors and textures. Experiment with different walking speeds to see what works best for you. Now, let's address some common questions. Do I need special equipment? Not at all. Just comfortable shoes and a place to walk. How long should I do it? Start with 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase if you wish. Can I do it indoors? Absolutely. A quiet hallway or room works fine. What if I get distracted? It's part of the process. Just refocus on your walking. Let's talk about integrating walking meditation into your work routine. Use it during your lunch break to refresh your mind. Try a quick session before tackling a challenging task. If you work from home, use it as a transition between different types of work. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to practice regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes. As you continue, you might notice some changes. Improved ability to focus on tasks for longer periods. Better stress management throughout the day. Increased awareness of your thoughts and feelings. Enhanced problem-solving skills as your mind becomes clearer. And well-being. Don't worry if you don't see results immediately. Like any skill, it takes time to develop. I hope this guide helps you start your walking meditation journey. Remember, it's a simple yet powerful tool for improving focus and productivity. Why not give it a try? If you found this helpful, please like and share with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching.